Deep fried turkey party. Yeah, we're trying something new. So I'm jamming this turkey with this little food injector. The problem is it keeps getting stuck. So I put it all in the blender to really kind of thin it out. But you know what? It was still getting stuck. Tell you, I got some lemonade. I got this jerk seasoning. It's pretty good. And some brown sugar. But like I said, it keeps getting stuck. So I came up with this answer. Oh, yes. The Breville Juicer. So what happened is I just dumped that slurry down in here and it went through the juicer. And so now we have thin strained injectables. I can't wait. This is gonna be awesome. I think I'll use this stuff on this side as a rub on the outside. So you just jam it in, fill it up. Time for the deep fried turkey party. Oh yeah. Alright, here we are. This is almost ready. We're gonna drop the turkey in here in moments from now.
It's less angry. I just keep going in and out. It takes me about a minute to dump it.
None of them are what you don't have them.
Those 13?
All the names.
I have something.
Look at this turkey.
Vegas. We parked our asses up in Vegas, and then we went to Death Valley.
Anywhere else.
So if somebody likes the dark meat, oh, here it is. Yours is coming out. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Right now, it's like Blackened and he would pay for like full class.
There it is.
There it is. All charred and delicious. Maria. Maria's a master. Look at that. Look at that.
Look on the inside.
Half.
Well, when it's ready, it's released.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, no, so. Pre-coated one and add like 2 cups. But when in a case, it's like, I didn't have a.
Injecting seasonings into the deep fried turkey was just fantastic. Getting it in deep into the muscle has helped it marble with flavor, and I tell you, this would definitely be done again. If you like, subscribe, I'll appreciate. Thank you so much.